Hi guys, my name is Manpreet. Welcome to my next video on enhanced features in MS Excel. This feature is not inbuilt, so today we want to talk about how to encrypt your data in place. So users are allowed to see the actual value, which have the password basically. If you're an authenticated user, you can see your values. Let's see a demo of this. This is a simple normal particular sheet. You can see I have some particular data. For example, I have a bank details like SBI Bank and the country is India. I have a password, I have a CVV number, I have a FC code and an ICR code. Out of these, you can see there are a few things which I don't want to show to any of the guys basically, because this sheet is something which is visible to guys in case this is going to go in the wrong hands. You can think of this is going to be a disastrous situation. So what I don't want is actually this password should not be visible to the guys actually. This is for me myself only, and that's true when I need it actually. And the same is with the CVV number. It's okay. I mean, I'm okay with IFC code, and people can see it. And same with the MISTR code also. Country and the name of the bank is also fine with me. Now, it is very much possible for anybody. They can go and they can hide this particular information and protect their sheet. Now, without changing this particular feature, without implementing the concept of protecting the sheet or hiding the particular, columns or the rows, we want to encrypt this particular data, and this particular feature is not available as of now. So this is incorporated in this particular video. Let's see how to go about that. What I've done is I have created three particular buttons, and these buttons, as it is suggesting with the help of a caption, it is used for the purpose of encoding the text, decoding the text, or viewing the decoded text on a temporary basis. So obviously I want to protect, I want to encode rather my password and my CVV. So I just want to go over here and I want to encrypt this particular data, right? For the purpose of this, I need to log in first of all. So I just want to go, I'm going to click on this one. I'm going to provide the credentials and the PIN, and I'll try to proceed. Now you can notice somewhere here, if I'm going to proceed and if I have given the right combination, this will going to convert into a green, you can say color, oval shape. Now I go and try to click onto the encode text. The encode text we're going to do what? It is going to change that particular value into some encoded value. It's a very lengthy, you can say, figure. Now I just log out from this particular place. You can see this particular figure, which was my password, is no more being visible to me in a normal particular plain text. It's an encoded, encrypted text now. I try to do the same stuff with the CVV, but now this time I'll do it directly without login. This is not going to allow me. I just click and you can see I'm getting the error. I try to do this with the help of what? With the help of once I'm going to log in, like I did before. I just going to go click on the login. I provide the passcode and the PIN also. If it is fine, if this is authenticated once again, this is going to turn into green part. As expected, it's green now, and I'll try to convert this into what? Encoded text. This has also been converted into encoded text. I just want to go and log out. Now, if this sheet is being visible to any other particular person or been accessed by any particular person, that particular person can see this particular value, but this is an encoded value, encrypted value. This is very safe. Now, after a while, I need this particular value for me, myself only. So in that scenario, I need to log in once again, right? In case I don't log in and try to see this with the help of a view text, right? View the decoded text, I'm going to get an error, obviously. And the same is with what? With the option of decode text. I'll tell you what is the difference between these two a little later. First of all, I just want to give you a demo of, first of all, I log in, I provide the credentials. I'm going to go here, provide the PIN and proceed. And this time, instead of encoding a text, because the text is already encoded, I want to see what exactly this text is actually being, the plain text. So I just going to click on the second particular button. The difference between the second and the third particular button is this is only been a temporary view. It's going to be shown to me for the time being, but this is not going to get changed. In case I want this to be a plain text back, I have to click on the decode text. Let me give you a demo. I go to the CVV number, that cell, and I click onto the view decoded text. I'm going to get this particular, small message box, and this is the value which I've entered previously. Or for the sake of checking it out, the password, I just do the same stuff. I repeat the same steps. I click on the cell. I say I want to see the message box and what is the value inside it. This encoded is equal to what plain text. I click on this, and you can see I'm getting the right combination of the, you can say, password. Suppose I want this change as a permanent change. In that scenario, because I'm already been logged in, I can say decode the text, and you can see my text is back actually. So it's a plain text once again. And same I can do with the help of what? With the help of the third particular button, decode the text. Now I can log out once again, and now this is a normal sheet. In case somebody doesn't have the login, the passcode and the pin code with them, so they are not entitled to do either the decoding or the encoding. I hope you must have liked this particular concept. The enhancement is a much needed stuff for many of the people basically. So in case you like it, you can comment and you can subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this.